Turkiye's first unmanned fighter jet, Bayraktar KIZILELMA, has just crossed a historic threshold, one no other nation has achieved. The domestically developed Toygun low-observable electro-optical targeting system has been fully integrated into an unmanned fighter jet for the first time in the world. A new air dominance beast is emerging, armed with AESA radar and the stealth-optimized Toygun EOTS. KIZILELMA now operates with a level of situational awareness normally reserved for elite 5th-generation manned fighters. This fusion of next-generation radar, thermal imaging, and precision laser capabilities allows the aircraft to conduct the toughest missions, from high-end dogfights to deep strike operations, autonomously, by embedding technologies traditionally found only on platforms like the F-35 and J-20. Turkiye has stepped into an exclusive strategic club, one of just 3 countries in the world capable of fielding this degree of sensor fusion on an unmanned fighter. ASELSAN's Toygun system is now powering situational awareness on KN, KIZILELMA, and the NK-3, creating a unified ecosystem of smart, network-centric air power. The Toygun suite delivers high-resolution thermal imaging, single and multi-target tracking, automatic target recognition, laser designation, and range finding, laser spot tracking for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. With Toygun's integration, KIZILELMA isn't just another UCAV. It's a transformational combat platform engineered to dominate the battlespace of the 2030s and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, smash that like button, drop your thoughts on latest military in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into global power plays. Because here at Intel Prime, we know power isn't always loud, but it's always strategic.